Hello, my name is Mohammad Akhtar. I've been a dynamic group member for the last 1 year. Before this, I used to trade on my own for 2 3 months. It was purely based on luck or bad luck, I must say. Then I came across dynamic system. I went for this commodities package and started trading for the previous year on paper. They promised 500% returns annually, but I got 900% returns for that year, and I've been trading actually for the last 6 months, and I've using the tool, and I've like let's say I'm already close to achieving the 500% in just 6 months. It's a simple tool that does not involve any knowledge whatsoever. All one has to do is just fill up a sheet and boom, your trades are successful.